Can you delete Messenger messages for everyone? Well, the answer is yes, and here's how to do so. First, you want to simply open the Messenger application, and inside the Messenger application, you want to simply open the chat that you want to delete. And here, let's say, if I scroll down, here is the chat that I want to delete. You want to simply tap and hold onto the chat and tap on this delete option. After that, you want to click on delete again, and here you will see two options over here: delete for everyone and delete for you. If you tap on delete for everyone, nobody will be able to see this message over here again. However, if you just delete it for you, the message will be deleted for you. However, the recipient will be able to still read the messages. You want to tap on delete for everyone over here, and by doing so, you will have successfully deleted a message. If you tap and hold on to this message again, you'll be able to delete that as well, so you leave no trace of the deletion. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next